Namaskar दोस्तों. Today is 13th May 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market, where on this specific video on daily basis I disclose my trade plan for a Nifty for the next trading session, review my last trading session, share my learning and MTM at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Now before we get into market, let's first get into S&P. Let's see how the global markets are doing. So when we look into S&P 500, S&P 500. So today was on holiday. So this trading session, S&P 500 continued the downward direction, took a support at 50 bar moving average and started moving up. So this is a kind of a reversal what we are seeing on S&P 500. But we just need to see on closing basis where S&P 500 is closing. But one thing is for sure that S&P 500 has taken a support at 50 bar moving average. Now our global US government bond 10-year yield has shoot up yesterday up to 1.7, and from there it has started going down. And as soon as the government bond has started going down, the S&P 500 has started moving up. And dollar US government dollar index is now forming a doji at around 20 bar moving average. So definitely this is a reversal sign for US dollar index. So you may see that US dollar will start depreciating from maybe next trading session. So overall, the global clues are giving us a sign of reversal. Uh, we do not know how strong this reversal is, but for tomorrow's trading session, the global clues are looking quite good. But we need to still see in the morning when this is getting close. Now, when we look into Lalaji on weekly basis has closed above 8, above 20, and above 50 and above 200. So definitely on weekly basis, Lalaji is an uptrend. Now on daily basis, in the last trading session, we had a big red bar, and then one day holiday, and the next trading session, which is going to be tomorrow. So here also, Lalaji is closed below 50, below 8, but above 20 and above 200. So on daily, we can still say that market is in uptrend, has closed in uptrend. Now, when we look into 15-minute chart, here the situation is different. Here we see a near-term weakness where market is closed below 50, below 200, below 20, and below 8, and also below weekly pivot and weekly H3. So here definitely market is in downtrend. Now let's confirm the view on the basis of CPR. Let's see what market profile is saying. So when we look into market profile, we see that last trading CPR is way above tomorrow's CPR. So definitely the market trend is saying that next tomorrow's CPR is below the last trading session CPR. So here definitely the trend is bearish. Now, lot will depend upon where the market is going to open tomorrow, and that is very critical because SGX at one point of time has touched in past 2 days to as close as low as 14,450 or 14,500. Last what I've seen was 14,450. Let's have a look. So when we see the SGX has touched as low as 14,453, yes, 14,453, and then it has started moving up, and it is above 20 bar moving average. So currently at 14,4, 14,633. So when we say 14,633, it is very close to last trading session low. Uh, so if market is opening tomorrow below 14,723, that is below pivot, then the strategy is sell on rise. Uh, Either at pivot, which is at 14,724, or H3, which is at 14,745. So that is also closer to 200 bar moving average on 15-minute chart. So if market opens below 14,723, then idea is sell on rise either at pivot 14,723 or at 14745. In some scenario, I feel that market, if it's opening even below weekly pivot of 14700, that is between this zone and this zone, then even this can act as a very strong resistance and we can see a movement down. But tomorrow is Friday, so we, and also Eid. So in India, the Eid is getting celebrated tomorrow. So I'm not sure how will be the impact of that on the market in terms of volume. But Fridays generally are narrow day. So if opens below pivot, then sell on rise. And in any scenario, if it opens above pivot, that is above 14723, then market is surely has turned bullish, and then it is buy on deep at 14,700. But let's see how it goes. So tomorrow, depending upon the pivot, we will see how the things are going. Please check out my update. I will put an idea update on TradingView.com for tomorrow's trade as soon as the market will open in the first 15 minutes. So that's the trade plan for tomorrow. If opens below pivot, sell on rise. It open above pivot, buy on dip. Now let's see what happened on 12th of May. So 12th of May, my plan was to sell on rise, and I was already carrying one PE. So market had a gap down opening. I continued my position, and on this particular green bar, I exited my position. So this was a very good move which I had, and then I did not take this up move. And on this red bar, I shorted my first lot of 14,700 PE, and then when it crossed this pivot, weekly pivot, somewhere here I shorted the second lot. But then suddenly I had a 15. This there was a very strong profit booking happened because this level was a S3 for 12th of May, and exactly at S3 it reversed, and we seen a strong profit booking, and the market moved up. I initially thought that I will carry both the position home, but then eventually I thought that it is a 2 days a week, means on holiday, and then Friday. So I decided to exit the position, and I had a reasonably good expiry. So if you should look into my entire last, that is Thursday trade, I had around 14,000 rupees profit, and overall March I'm still running at 5,000 profit. So I'm maintaining my discipline of playing only two lot and focusing more on trade execution and namely profit booking. So what is my learning? My learning is that set target for profit on the basis of pivot S2, S3 and put a limit order. There is no point of getting into trade without keeping a target in mind. That generally helps. So henceforth, I'm going to be very sure that when I enter a trade, my target is decided, and I'm going to put my limit order for a target. So that's my learning. I hope these discussions have added value to your trade setup and trading idea. Uh, I welcome all my new followers. On TradingView, I have almost touched 380, so need more 20 to touch 400. So please like, share, subscribe, stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.